Uh, Hello. Welcome to another reaction video. For this one, I'm reacting to Garten of Banban Minecraft animation by Phyre Productions. Oh boy, where to begin with this game? Well, I don't have the time to rant, but I guess to keep it short and simple, this trend of bright and colorful, not so scary or not scary at all indie horror games, it's not a good look. It's pretty upsetting to see, but again, like I'm not here to rant. I'm just here to react. Anyways, if you haven't seen this yet, the link for it is in the description. And without further ado, let's go. New Bird on the Block. Music and lyrics by Koda, vocals and mastered by Axie, animated by Phyre. Okay, you weren't kidding about rap, but I just wanted to say, like, if there's one thing about this game I will praise, I thought the bird was a bit unsettling and creepy. That's all I can say.
The name's OPILA, though you will know for long, cause you'll surely be dead at the end of the song. Know why you're here, you're looking for
Maybe not. Oh yeah.
You can start with the eggs that I've hidden from the road. Only eggs can sustain me. You better get them soon, just pop in my mouth.
Okay, I'm at a loss for words. First of all, the video's not over yet, but I'm already gonna say 10 out of 10. Second, okay, nothing. I'm speechless. Oh yeah, what is that? In the that rig has a nose. Whoa, what is that? No, peephole vision. I don't know what. You can't fly. Fall like Huggy. Why is this so damn good? Where's the protagonist? Hop it, hop, hoppity hop. Yep, sway, sway. Took too much effort. I can tell. Remember what I said earlier about 10 out of 10? Screw that. A million out of 10. Just so good, so entertaining. Just, I don't know. I don't have an essay for this. It's just models, lighting, and the vibe. I love it. Love it. Well, that's all. Bye.